Now, maybe you can relate to this or maybe not, but when local strawberries start showing up at our favorite farm stands, it really brings out the kid in me. I mean, I just want to hoard them and admire them and eventually start cooking with them. And that's where things get a little challenging, because my strawberry baking ambitions are always a lot bigger than my strawberry reality allows. And that's why I start the season out by baking my favorites, like the 2 recipes we'll be making at our next live class on Sunday, June 1st. All strawberry pie and strawberry orange scones. Now, you can bake our pie in a pie pan or in a tart pan like this one. Tastes fabulous either way. And it's an all strawberry filling, no rhubarb or other berries, so purists will approve. Now, we'll bake it in a toasted almond pie dough, and we'll finish it off with a crunchy oatmeal crumb topping. I mean, it's a real beaut. Now, if you've ever made strawberry scones, which is our other Sunday recipe, you'll know that they can be a little bit difficult. Strawberries are very soft and they're super juicy, so there's a few tricks for working them into your dough. These things we'll go over in class. And by the time we're done, you're going to be a strawberry scone maker extraordinaire. So, I hope you can join us for this class. It promises to be another great one. Great because our attendees are always the absolute best folks. You'll find the sign-up links below. And don't forget, if you can't make it live, you can always make it later, because you get lifetime access to the replay and the recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in class.